Two proven email marketing giants, ConvertKit and GetResponse, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, ConvertKit, the creator's favorite for simple, powerful email. On the right, GetResponse, the all-in-one platform for growth-hungry businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So here's a mind map of what we're comparing today. We've got pricing, automation, which is a biggie, email and landing page builder, integrations, who each platform is targeting, how all-in-one the marketing package really is, support options, because trust me, you will need it. And hey, language and accessibility. Let's dive right in. Okay, let's kicking off with pricing. So ConvertKit, honestly, it's got a pretty straightforward pricing model, and it starts off way lower than most competitors. If you like things simple, without surprise costs or confusing tiers, this is for you. But just heads up, you don't get a ton of features at that entry level. Then you've got GetResponse. More expensive, especially if you want all the super advanced bits. But you do get a whole bunch of features packed in as you climb to those premium plans, plus annual discounts if you're ready to commit. The trade-off? Convoluted tiers. Winner? Yeah, ConvertKit does take this one, especially for entry-level users. Now, automation. So with ConvertKit, it's all about tag-based triggers and basic personalization. Definitely easy. Like, you don't need a manual or anything. But if you wanted crazy advanced workflows, well, you're kind of left wishing for more. GetResponse, though. Wow, this is where it gets wild. Full-blown drag-and-drop builder, shiny pre-built templates, and even e-commerce things like cart abandonment, SMS, and web push. The flip side is, if you just need something simple, it might feel overwhelming or kind of bloated. Honestly, GetResponse wins hands down for automation, especially if you like tinkering. Email and landing page builder time. So ConvertKit, clean, minimal, and the HTML editing for those who like keeping it super simple. It's great if you just want to send out regular broadcasts and don't care about fancy graphics, but no drag and drop for emails. Yeah, kind of feels outdated. Now, GetResponse? Oh, and here's something cool. It's got a visual drag-and-drop builder with an AI assistant, and a ton of ready-made templates for emails and landing pages. But fair warning, if you're a total beginner, all those options might be a little much. In terms of building those emails and pages, GetResponse pretty clearly takes it. Oh, and here's a quick fact while we catch our breath. Did you know GetResponse was actually founded way back in 1998? That makes it one of the longest-running email marketing tools still around. How many platforms can say that? All right, let's talk integrations. ConvertKit actually surprises most people here. Over 320 different integrations. So if you're using a bunch of software, maybe selling courses, running webinars, that sort of thing, you're covered. GetResponse sits at around 65 integrations. They cover the essentials, but if you need super specific marketing connections, you might have to look elsewhere. So, easy win for ConvertKit. Who's each platform targeting? ConvertKit is, no exaggeration, designed for creators, bloggers, solo entrepreneurs, writers. The features are all about helping you grow and engage your audience, plus some neat commerce tools. Not ideal if you're running a giant e-commerce shop or need B2B bells and whistles. GetResponse flips the script. This is for small businesses. Think e-commerce, B2B, agencies. And if you want multi-channel marketing, funnels, and advanced tools, it's all in there. But hey, if you're just emailing your fans every week, it's probably way too much. Winner for creators? Definitely ConvertKit. The all-in-one marketing showdown. ConvertKit is laser-focused on emails and landing pages. Like, nothing too fancy, but it does that core really well. But no webinars, CRM stuff, web chat, or full-on sales tools. GetResponse is, wow, packed. I'm talking email, SMS, webinars, landing pages, web push, chat, ads, the whole 9 yards. Funnels, lead capture, it's all baked in. If you want an all-in-one suite, that's a no-brainer. Winner? GetResponse. Support. Now, ConvertKit offers live chat and email. It's solid. Plus, there's a super helpful knowledge base, but no phone support and not 24/7. GetResponse steps it up with 24/7 support across chat, email, and phone. Plus, plenty of tutorials. So if you're the type to ask a million questions after midnight, GetResponse is absolutely the pick. Last category, language and accessibility. ConvertKit's great if you work in English. End of story. But no extra languages on the dashboard, which, yeah, sort of a bummer for an international team. GetResponse? The dashboard is available in 10 plus languages, so it crushes it for global users. Winner here is, you guessed it, GetResponse. All right, so if we sketch out the ratings, you immediately see ConvertKit shines for creators, integrations, and simple pricing, while GetResponse just crushes it with automation, building tools, support, multi-channel, and going global. So here's the bottom line. If you're building out a business or running e-commerce with tons of automation and need different marketing channels, GetResponse is honestly a powerhouse. But if you're a creator, maybe a blogger, podcaster, or solo newsletter author, you'll probably fall in love with ConvertKit's simplicity and all those audience-focused features.
Like what you heard?
If you want deeper dives into the best tools for growth in 2025, seriously, hit follow and stick around, because we've got tons more comparisons coming.